Hey, how do you identify? Oh, aromantic.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, basically, I just don't have a desire to have a romantic relationship.
No, you haven't found the right person.
There is no right person. That's kind of the point. I don't want to be in a romantic relationship with anyone. I mean, platonic relationships sound great. I love those.
Oh, so you're asexual. Like a plant?
Okay, first of all, that is not what asexual is. And second, no, I'm aromantic, not asexual. They're different.
This is just so sad. You're gonna be alone forever.
No, I actually have kids. My best friend lives with me. I'm not alone.
Yeah, but you'll never love.
Not romantically, but I love a lot of other people and things.